This is an overview of the rest of the WordPress dashboard within JoAnna-Writing.com. I'm already logged in. I'm in the dashboard. I'm going to go through some of the other settings in here. So we'll just go over settings, general, we're going to go to reading. There's one important setting we're going to check here pretty quick, and that is it is available to the search engines. Our home page is not the latest posts. It's a static page set to a page we built called the home page. We also have in here users, where if you wanted to go, this is my just admin user right here. JoAnna, this is your user. If you wanted to go set the password manually to something else, you can hit edit. And scroll on down here and set new password. Type something in that's relatively strong and save it. Or update user, and that would change the password. You'd have to log back out and log back in. We have a basic contact form, which is built with Ninja Forms. Let's go check this here out real quick. We don't have any. Let's go make sure this works. Contact us. Oh, I'm here. Let's go to the form itself. Dashboard. Edit the form. Email actions. Email notifications. It's set to the system admin email, which is me, so we're going to change that to your address. Publish. Refresh the page here. All right, so all right, it also saves a copy of it here if you want to go look at them every once in a while to see if somebody contacted you. Email is not the most reliable things. Let's see some of the other things in here. The post grid is the plugin that we used to build the what the blog feeds look like. So on the blog page, there's a bunch of settings in here that one can go change. We are using a we go into appearance menus. I'll show you that real quick. If you make a new blog post or page that you want in the main menu, you can highlight it, hit add to menu. That would put it in the main menu here. You can also embed them in drop-down menus like that. If we save this menu, this would be underneath contact, but we're just going to navigate away from it and not save it. If you see this message, leave site, changes you made may not be saved. That's just a way of not saving any changes within WordPress. Let's see here, the other kind of big things. The theme came with the Elementor page builder, and we're not using that for now. We're just building things in the standard WordPress Gutenberg editor. We don't have any testimonials set up yet. But the other major components of WordPress build are the theme. So if you go into appearance, you can customize the Marcel theme that we're using. There's just a bunch of kind of settings in here. Won't get into it in too much detail. I put in just a little bit of CSS. To correct a few formatting things. Let's see the in appearance theme options. There's another set of just kind of options. We haven't done any of the mobile optimized imagery for the logo. Most of this stuff will probably just ask me to do, but that's where you can set the different typography for the different headings and the just the general fonts of the paragraph blocks. The other major thing we have in here are plugins. This gets a list of plugins. They're not all active. Most of this stuff is related to the theme. I installed the web accessibility plugin so people can turn off the cursive fonts and things like that. And the other major thing is the cache. The cache is a system designed to make the WordPress site run faster by saving a copy of what it pulls from the database. Sometimes when you make changes in WordPress, they won't show up right away, and you have to go to this button up here and delete the cache, and then it'll rebuild kind of the front view of the site with the new settings. We'll delete the cache right now, that's all you gotta do. You just click it and that's it. There's also a backup plugin in here, the Updraft Plus. I made a backup of it today. So you can also download the entire site to your computer. If I somehow got eaten by a bear or hit by a bus, you click those buttons, download to your computer these 5 zip files. You'd have a full offsite backup of your site. You could move it anywhere you wanted to. This was the system we were hoping the other guy would give us that didn't happen. We've already gone over the media library in the previous video, but you can also just go directly into the media library and here we'll delete this. Delete permanently. And that is sort of the quick overview of your WordPress build.